Everyone thinks the best-selling drill bit sharpener is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Drill Doctor DD750X. The Drill Doctor DD750X caught my eye immediately with its sleek design and high price tag of $159.95. If you want a powerful tool that can revitalize your worn-out bits, this is worth a serious look. This sharpener tackles standard drill bits from 3/32 to 3/4. What really stands out is its capability to sharpen and split the cutting tip, which reduces wear and boosts performance. It sharpens to angles between 115 and 140 degrees, covering most of your drilling needs. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 4,500 reviews and over 900 purchases in just the last month, it's clear that many have found success with it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A properly sharpened bit can drill faster and more accurately, saving you time and frustration on your projects. Now, some people complained about the price being steep for a drill bit sharpener. Here's the thing though, if you frequently use drill bits and want them to last longer and work better, this is definitely an investment that pays off. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional who relies on sharp bits. Skip this one if you only occasionally need sharpener and don't want to spend much. It's a solid value considering the features it offers. Product number 2, Drill Doctor DD350X. Next up is the Drill Doctor DD350X, priced at $59.95. This caught my attention because it offers a more budget-friendly option without skimping on quality. If you want a reliable sharpener for common bit sizes, this is worth a serious look. This model sharpens bits from 3/32 to 1/2 and is designed for steel, masonry, and carbide materials. It features a diamond sharpening wheel that maintains its shape over time, so you won't have to worry about it wearing out quickly. The best part? You can sharpen your bits in just 2 easy steps, which means you won't need a degree in engineering to get it right. With a 4.4-star rating from 3,800 reviews, it's evident that many users appreciate its efficiency. Here's why this matters for you. Quick, accurate sharpening means less downtime and more time for tackling your projects. However, some users noted that it doesn't handle larger bits well. While this could be a deal breaker if you're using larger drill sizes frequently, if you mainly work with smaller bits, it's not a major issue. This is perfect for hobbyists or light-duty users who need a dependable sharpener without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you often use larger drill bits, since it's not designed for that. Overall, it's a great value for the price. Product number 3, Drill Doctor DD500X. Now, let's talk about the Drill Doctor DD500X, which comes in at $109.95. This sharpener piqued my interest because it offers adjustable sharpening angles. If you need flexibility in your sharpening, this is worth a serious look. The DD500X sharpens bits from 3/32 to 1/2 and allows you to switch between 118 degrees and 135 degrees angles. This means you can fine-tune the sharpening process for different materials or tasks, which is super handy. It also features the same diamond wheel as other models, ensuring longevity and performance. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,600 reviews, users seem satisfied with its results. Here's why this matters for you. Being able to adjust the angle can help you get the most out of each drill bit, maximizing their lifespan and effectiveness. Some users did mention that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. However, once you get the hang of it, the versatility it offers makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for those who work with various materials and need a versatile sharpener. Skip this one if you only work with a specific type of bit, since the adjustments may feel unnecessary. Overall, it's a good investment if you value flexibility. Product number 4, General Tools Drill Grinding Attachment Number 825. Next on the list is the General Tools Drill Grinding Attachment Number 825, priced at $30.79. It's a simple yet effective tool that caught my attention for its affordability. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to keep your bits sharp, this is worth a serious look. This attachment works with various drill sizes and offers angle adjustment from 41 to 88 degrees, allowing you to sharpen almost any bit you have. It's compact and easily attaches to a vise clamp, making it perfect for quick jobs. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it shows that users find it useful, especially for home workshops. Here's why this matters for you. It helps extend the life of your bits, which can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for replacements. However, some users found it less effective for larger bits, which might be a downside if that's what you usually use. But for smaller to medium bits, it's a solid choice. This is perfect if you're a DIY enthusiast or need a sharpener for home use. Skip this one if you primarily work with larger drill bits, since it may not meet your needs. For the price, it's a great value. Product number 5, Bucksuna Drill Bit Sharpener. Last but not least is the Bucksuna Drill Bit Sharpener, priced at just $9.99. This one caught my eye for its simplicity and portability. If you want something lightweight and easy to use, this is worth a serious look. This sharpener is powered by an electric drill and can restore dull bits in as little as 5 seconds. It caters to various bit types, from high-speed steel to carbide. It's compact, making it easy to take with you anywhere, which is great for on-the-go sharpening. While it currently holds a lower rating of 3.5 stars from 376 reviews, some users have praised its quick sharpening capabilities. Here's why this matters for you. Having a portable sharpener means you can keep your bits in top shape, no matter where your projects take you. That said, some users reported it didn't last long under heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual user who needs a quick fix, this shouldn't be an issue for you. This is perfect if you're a casual DIYer or need a portable option for small jobs. Skip this one if you heavily depend on sharp bits daily, as it may not hold up long term. But for the price, it's hard to beat. So, to sum it up, the Drill Doctor DD750X is great for professionals who want quality. The DD350X is perfect for hobbyists looking for a budget option. The DD500X offers adjustable angles for versatility. The General Tools attachment is fantastic for home use, and the Bucksuna sharpener is ideal for casual and portable needs. Each of these sharpeners has its strengths, so consider what you really need before making a choice.